Hello everyone. Today in entrepreneurship, we are going to do the next topic which is business finance and planning. Okay, that is financial planning. Now, what is the meaning of finance? Finance, as we all know, is the funds which is required in a business. That means the funds which are required to start a business and to run a business. That is what business finance is. So, business finance may be defined as the acquisition and utilization of capital funds in meeting the financial needs and overall objectives of a business enterprise. So, it is not only acquisition, but it relates to proper utilization of funds also. So, business finance is acquiring the funds as and when required. Whenever there is requirement in the business, the funds should be available. So that is acquisition of funds, and then next is the utilization of the capital funds. Not only acquisition, but its proper utilization is also very important, so that there is minimum wastage of the funds and that over capitalization should not be there. So why it is done? To meet the financial needs and the objectives of the business. Now, business finance is actually considered as the lifeblood of an organization. No organization can function without the business finance, without funds, without money. So, money or funds is considered as the most important element of business, or that is why it is called the lifeblood of any business organization. Then, what is the need? Why business finance is needed? So, business finance is actually needed for all the economic activities. Whenever we talk about economic activity, the first thing which comes in our mind is the money, the fund. So, that is required for commencement of the business. Whenever we want to start a new business, fund is required. Then, not only to start, but for day-to-day operations also. Now, this day-to-day operation is working capital. This day-to-day operation is working capital. So, for working capital and commencement is fixed capital requirement. Okay. So, fixed capital requirement and for day-to-day operation working capital requirement is there. Then for modernization, for expansion, diversification, research and development activities, for all kind of activities, all kind of economic activities, fund is required. Then we have what are the sources of finance, from where we get the money. So there are two sources of finance, internal source and external source. So internal source are the entrepreneurs fund. Entrepreneurs fund. And whatever money the entrepreneur is investing in the business, that is the internal source of finance. It can be profit or capital which is invested by the owner. Then external sources we have borrowings or loans. So external sources consist of borrowings or loans from outside agencies. So these are the sources of finance. Then what is financial decision making? Why it is considered as very important and a very difficult decision? See, in financial decision making, there are two things which we have to consider. First is the requirements of the fund, how much fund is required, and second is the financing decision, where that fund is to be utilized. So this we'll see in financial. Financial planning is the process of estimating the fund requirements, specifying the sources of fund and utilizing them in the optimum manner. That means what financial planning is doing, or what is the main focus of financial planning? It has to estimate first. That means you have to calculate how much amount of fund is required in the business. Then you have to specify the sources. The sources is to be specifying that from where funds will be procured, and finally utilizing them in an optimum manner. Again, optimum, earlier also I have discussed, optimum means maximum benefit and minimum cost, or avoid minimum wastage. So when we get maximum benefit out of the funds with minimum wastage, that is known as optimum. So financial planning is basically concerned with procurement, then the sources from where it will be procured, and then its proper utilization or optimum utilization. So decisions in proper planning. What are the decisions which are involved in proper planning? First is how much money is needed. So this we have to first estimate. These are the decisions. These are the 3 decisions which are to be taken in financial planning. So first we have to determine how much money is needed in the business. Okay, the requirement. This is the requirement. The next is, after knowing the requirement of the funds, you have to see where the money will come from. So this means the source. The source of finance, that from which source, whether internal source, external source, owner's fund, borrowed fund. So there are different sources of funds. So from where you will get the money? This is the source. We have to take decision. Then how can the firm utilize these funds in a best possible manner? So this is what this is related with utilization, proper utilization of funds, that the funds which are borrowed, which are procured, should be used in an optimum manner. So what is the importance of financial planning? Financial planning involves the proper allocation of resources. Then in the absence of financial planning, what the firm will face? The firm may face a cash crunch, or the development, the growth of the firm may be hampered if the firm is not having sufficient funds. So financial planning is very important for the growth of the company, and it helps in the proper allocation of procurement and allocation of resources. Next we will see the objectives of financial planning. There are 5 objectives of financial planning. So first one is to access the different types of fund requirement. In a company, there are different types of fund requirement, like the funds can be required for short term, medium term and long term. That is, long term requirements can be there. So you have to assess first the different types of funds requirement, then to procure the funds from suitable sources. So while selecting the source of finance, we have to keep in mind the financial commitments, the ownership. So there are so many factors which is to be considered before selecting the sources. Then to allocate the funds to various departments. That means there are different departments in an organization and they all have their own objectives. So funds should be allocated to departments according to their objectives. Then to establish effective control on financial matters, this is also very important. And then to provide optimum amount of working capital. As I said, working capital is the fund required for day-to-day operations of the business. So optimum amount of working capital should also be made available to the business. Then to build up reserves for future contingencies. That means always the business has to maintain reserves for future, which is very uncertain. So these are the 6 objectives of financial planning.